Greetings, Sky Greece. My name is Petros Printezis. I am a PhD candidate, and this is my dissertation. Methodological framework and tools for the participatory design of spatial interactive installations of augmented and mixed reality in arts and culture. I am a graduate from the University of the Aegean's Product and System Design and Engineering department. During my studies, I dealt extensively with digital, interactive, spatial augmented reality systems. I also worked for a production company through which I specialized in optical installation technologies, such as projection and lighting systems. I used these technologies in the above-mentioned interactive systems and adapted them to meet the needs of each project. Augmented and virtual reality have gained significant popularity in recent years. Although these technologies are extremely popular, they do not cease to require special equipment for the user to immerse himself in the experiences they offer. Spatial augmented reality helps eliminate the issue by bringing the digital world into the real one. The user does not need to operate any complex systems. On the contrary, the natural world around him is passively enhanced and reality is altered to create diverse and impressive experiences. My goal through this dissertation is to study the different technologies available and utilize them in case studies. In this way, I aim to create an extensive methodology for how to design functional and exciting spatial augmented reality installations and systems. Also, create a methodology for combining specialists from different fields, helping them collaborate seamlessly and create unison experiences. Lastly, create a straightforward evaluation tool for such installations, making them even more functional, useful, and interesting to the user. Although my dissertation is still in its infancy, important questions have been recorded for later study. Join me in untangling the spatial augmented reality design methodology. Thank you.